So today we are going to discuss another topic, that is success and the role of education. Means education is success. Second point that relates to education is success is that you know problem solving and critical thinking. When you are well educated, you know all the education properly, and the most important thing, as Albert Einstein puts it, he says that education is not the learning of facts, education is the training of mind. So this point relates to that quotation of Albert Einstein, that whenever you have education, when you have education, you already know what the problem is, and then you try to solve that problem in a perfect way, whatever problem that is. You see that in scientific inventions or scientific innovations, scientific discoveries, whatever discoveries, inventions, innovations have been possible till today, these all are mostly by those people who are practically educated. What do you mean by practically educated? Practically educated means those people who did not only learn education by memorization but also put it into practice. So this thing tells us that when you are properly educated, you can solve all the problems by your critical thinking skills, and all problems will be very easy for you to solve. It is said that whenever there is need, so a new invention comes. Therefore, it is called that necessity is the mother of invention. So education is something that tells us that if there is any problem, so what type of solution you are going to get for that problem. So this thing tells us that we have to be well educated in order to solve any problems, and in order to think critically to solve any problem.